ever pulled your dumplings from the freezer only to have them fall apart or turn mushy? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Today, I will show you exactly how to thaw and reheat German uncooked and cooked dumplings so they stay smooth, fluffy and perfect, just like the fresh ones. But let's start with the basics. The thawing and reheating method will depend on what recipe you actually used. If you followed my freezer-friendly dumpling recipe, you are in luck. Those can go straight from the freezer into the pot of simmering salty water. If your dumplings are, however, made differently, you want to use a gentler approach. Let's break it down. Method number 1, thawing and reheating starch-rich dumplings. And with starch-rich, I mean you use at least 200 grams of starch per 1 kilo of starchy potatoes. Bring pot of salted water to a gentle simmer, not a rolling boil. And there is a great trick from a famous chef, Andreas Gaeter. Add 1 tablespoon of smooth potato starch and cold water mixture to the boiling water before you add the dumplings. This helps the dumplings to develop the smooth and glossy surface and keeps them from breaking apart. Before thawing and reheating, I always encourage you to make a probe. If this falls apart in the water, you can still steam the rest of the dumpling. Just saying. Then drop the dumplings in and let them simmer for 20 to 25 minutes until the internal temperature reaches 70 degrees Celsius. Don't forget to make sure that the water is properly hot before adding the dumplings, and give them a gentle stir so they don't stick to the bottom. If your dumplings don't have enough starch or you just don't know how much starch they have, play it safe. That means thaw the dumplings overnight and then steam them for at least 20 minutes. Before steaming, a good thing to do is to butter the steamer basket or spray it with a cooking spray. This way, the dumplings won't stick to it. When steaming, make sure you leave some space between them. It's simple, gentle, and foolproof. Your dumplings will stay perfectly soft and hold their shape beautifully. If your frozen dumplings have been cooked already, good information there, you can choose one of those 2 methods. It doesn't matter which one. And that's it! 2 easy methods to make sure that your German potato dumplings are as good as fresh even after freezing. That's the German efficiency for you. Even your dumplings are now organized.